evening to morning, mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Always rain. I just speaking English now. No more Bisaya. Sagol-sagol ni mga friends. Mixing, speaking English Bisaya. I know there's many people look at my YouTube channel in short or
Good morning
or
mga
in
friends,
the long
viewers, subscribers.
videos
The rain.
Thank you for your watching,
will
mga
be
friends,
rain.
viewers, subscribers.
From nighttime to morning. Thunder like thunder very strong mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Hello, good morning. Happy Sunday. Napuntanan. Happy Sunday. Good morning everyone here in Philippines or in anywhere in all country that who's watching my vlog for today. Good morning mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Good morning my husband in Japan. Good morning. Here we got strong thunder and rain. Very strong. Water is coming inside by the wind. Let's eat bread lang. Bread in early morning. Happy Sunday. Now always rain. Very strong rain. My daughter is all eating in inside. Anak eating sa inside bread and milk. Yeah, milk. Good morning. Gabaha diri, oy, grabe. Tabang niyo. Baha away. All water, mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Here in my place, very strong rain. Got rain. Thunder too. This early in morning in Sunday, and today we got a brownout holiday. Si Biko no korente mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Here I'm sitting here eating. Let's eat bread. This is fresh bread. We buy this one in the bakery. Francis, let's eat mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Good morning, happy Sunday na tanan mga mama, mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Thank you for your support with my YouTube channel. Always, you're always in my heart. Thank you so much. Thanks, Naki. Good morning, matata. Good morning. Gabaha, up and down. Downstairs to down. I cannot go out anymore today. I cannot go outside planting something. Strong rain. Oh? We have 4 buckets here full. And the way also have water. Last night very strong. Looks like a storm. Storm approaching. I don't know what's the name. Hopefully no wind more, no more wind. I speak English even though not perfect yet. Because I saw that there's also another country that look at my blog. So I speak English instead of Bisaya. Even though not perfect English, okay. Yummy. I make like this one. The bread put in the coffee. Perfect. Let's eat breakfast, mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Yummy.
This is all for today, mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.